morning. Here are the latest political and sports updates from India for 18th April 2025. Political news. Bombay High Court summons Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis over election petition. A significant development in Maharashtra politics has emerged as the Bombay High Court issued a summons to Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis regarding a petition challenging his victory in the 2024 Assembly elections. The plea, which questions the validity of his win, marks a critical moment for the state's political landscape. The court's next hearing is scheduled to address this matter further, drawing attention to electoral integrity in one of India's most influential states. Supreme Court continues hearing on Waqf Amendment Act. The Supreme Court of India continued its deliberations on 16 April 2025 regarding the constitutional validity of the Waqf Amendment Act 2025. Petitioners from Delhi appeared before the court, highlighting concerns over the legislation. Meanwhile, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has banned protests against the act, urging parties to present their arguments in court. Clashes in Kachar district and ongoing tensions in Murshidabad, where the Calcutta High Court extended central forces deployment until 21 April, underscore the contentious nature of this issue. External Affairs Minister highlights Northeast as gateway to Southeast Asia. In a virtual address at the Northeast Investors Summit 2025, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar emphasized the strategic importance of India's northeastern region, describing it as a gateway to Southeast Asia. This statement comes in response to Bangladesh's interim government chief advisor Muhammad Yunus referring to the region as landlocked, signaling India's intent to bolster economic and diplomatic ties through its northeastern states. Madhya Pradesh liquor policy sparks political controversy. Former Union Minister Uma Bharti has publicly criticized the BJP-led Madhya Pradesh government's liquor policy, raising concerns about its social and economic implications. Her remarks highlight internal party tensions and could influence public discourse as the state navigates its governance priorities. Sports news. IPL 2025, Delhi Capitals triumph in thrilling super over against Rajasthan Royals. The Indian Premier League, IPL 2025 delivered high-octane drama as Delhi Capitals, DC, secured a sensational victory over Rajasthan Royals, RR, in a super over on 16 April 2025 at Arun Jaitley Stadium, Delhi. Mitchell Starc's exceptional final over forced the match into a tiebreaker, where DC restricted RR to 11 runs before KL Rahul and Tristan Stubbs sealed the chase. However, RR faced a setback as captain Sanju Samson retired hurt, impacting their performance. The match also saw Sandeep Sharma bowl the joint longest over in IPL history. Punjab Kings stunned Kolkata Knight Riders in low-scoring IPL thriller. In another IPL 2025 highlight, Punjab Kings, PK, defended a modest total of 111 runs to defeat Kolkata Knight Riders, KKR, in a sensational upset. The victory showcased PK's bowling prowess and strategic acumen, shaking up the IPL points table. Meanwhile, two KKR players faced equipment setbacks as their bats were deemed unfit for use in the tournament. Mumbai Indians and Gujarat Titans clash in IPL action. Gujarat Titans, GT, outplayed Mumbai Indians, MI, in a gripping IPL 2025 encounter, with GT's balanced performance overshadowing MI's efforts. Jasprit Bumrah's form remains under scrutiny as MI prepares to face Sunrisers Hyderabad next. Elsewhere, Chennai Super Kings, CSK, ended a 17-year wait for a victory against Royal Challengers Bangalore, RCB, at Chepauk, while Lucknow Super Giants, LSG, defeated Sunrisers Hyderabad, SRH. BCCI shakes up coaching staff ahead of England tour. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, has made significant changes to the national team's coaching setup, removing Abhishek Nair and T. Dilip from their roles as assistant and fielding coaches, respectively, ahead of the Indian team's 2-2 England. This decision aims to streamline the team's preparation for upcoming international challenges, including the Champions Trophy 2025, where the BCCI has also enforced a no wives or partners policy for players. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.